the one we want to go to. How'd we do that before? Now it's an hour and 17 minutes.
Guess I'll sit here.
125 the way we're
125? That's how much it's gonna cost?
Yeah, 125.
Do they take quarters?
Brody? Oh, you're in the van. Do you want to come? Yeah. Well, I'm here.
Wow. This feels foreign to me.
Does it?
Yeah.
Well, step on up to Lisa's magic school bus.
Step
Hope
on
you
the
make
magic
it out
school
alive.
what?
I just hit my head.
You have driven a car before, right? Because I don't know if I've actually ever seen you drive one.
Shush your mouth. Remember the great don't press the brakes game of 2010 where we almost died? Just like to say, I had to get everything off the counter, so as a co-pilot, you're already failing.
First turn.
We're in the parking lot. I just gotta figure out which way we're turning.
You just gotta get... Oh, do you know that? Oh, you know that?
I think. Why can't I tell?
You need some help?
The thing just didn't change, but that's because...
It's sticky.
What the? What the? I think you flipped me off.
First flip off. How does it feel?
I don't know. Alright. You turn in the van. Holy shit. Keep right on the South County Trail. Now I get to pick where we park. No trucks. Good thing we're a van. There's the line. Now whip it. Whip it good.
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, jeez. And that is the back.
Alright guys, I just wanted to make sure we were touched up.
We good, Lise?
We're good.
Alright.